Hi, and welcome back to Deep Papa's Living a Flip Flop Life. In today's episode, I wanted to cover a couple of questions, important questions, good questions that I didn't realize that a lot of you might have been wondering about. Because I got a lot of emails about this, and every email was more about, okay, your Meelo App Empire. Do I need an iPhone? Do I need an iPad? Do I need an Android phone? No, you don't need any of these. If you've never used an iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you've never used an Android phone, you don't need one. What you need is a PC and an internet, or even an iPhone or an Android. You can do it from your phone as well, but it's better if you do things on desktop and PC. And everything is basically on cloud. The software that we're using to build your apps are on cloud. So there's nothing you really need to download either. So it's more of having an internet and a computer. So let's get that out of the way. Okay, so let me remind you again, we're talking about Meelo App Empire. This is the training where it's going to help you create an idea, something that you have in your head, into an actual software, a working software. The great thing about this is that I've already started getting results from my users. Users are going through this. They're already putting their first apps online. This is a quick testimonial that she just sent me today. I'm really impressed with the work you put into the training, so detailed and to the point. Please see below what I've achieved so far and can't wait to finish my first app. So she started creating her first app and she's putting it on the App Store. And also we have Dom Turner. He's one of the users that I gave access to my software. And also Julie is doing the same thing, and she's put her own actual app on the App Store. Now, I understand there's something about a lot of people that don't understand something. You guys are getting stuck at the Apple $99 members thing. You don't need to pay for this until you've got an app that's ready to be sold on the App Store. You can get your app approved, and then from there, it's up to you. If you want to make money with this, then you need to put it on the App Store. Now, what kind of money are we talking about? Well, it really depends on what you're doing. So right now, I'm just selling a couple of apps. It's something that I tried out from November the 14th. That's when I started. And then during that time, when that got approved and I knew that my system was working, then I went out and put a couple more apps on there. And the two ones that are working, I'm actually building on a game as well. But basically, this is what's bringing me right now a new income source. I just started this. This is just brand new, okay? Like I'm putting 90 days because I can't choose the specific dates. But the first sale that I made was in November the 14th. And this is what's going on right now. And one of them's got more impressions than the other, but they both sold 12. Each one has different pricing, etc. Okay, so this is working, and I haven't had the time to go out and put more apps because I've been working on the training. Now, the training that I've just released for Meelo App Empire is tremendous. Everybody that goes through it goes crazy about it. It's really good. And it's all straight up, step by step, showing you exactly what you need to do, exactly like Anna did, and she put her app on there. She's brand new to all this, technical free, blah, blah, blah. Now, all these, I've got objections. I've got emails being sent to me and asking me a few questions. And the questions that I actually cover. You don't need a $99 Apple account. You don't need, until you want to sell it. Okay. You don't need an iPhone. You don't need an Android phone. You don't need any type of phone if you don't want to use phones. All you need is an internet. That's all. Okay. Internet. Now, I'm showing you also, as I'm going through this, that I was making the first sales and I was doing the story, and then it just grows, this has been growing until next year. This is going to be even more. Okay. The results that you're seeing right now is going to be nowhere close to what you're seeing right now. And next year, you're going to be hitting your head on the wall because you missed out on this train that you can get on right now and create apps using nothing but your mind, or even copying somebody else's and making it yours, but with a twist. Okay, always making something different. Apple wants you to bring something new. Don't bring a copy and paste, and that's not what I'm teaching you. But I can definitely get an app on there in 12 minutes if I wanted to, because I've done it already. Okay, and I've hit the top 10 spot. Everything I'm talking about on the sales page is nothing but exactly what happened to me in my journey with creating apps for the App Store. It's just a lot of people are getting stuck with the idea like, whoa, this seems like it's going to be complicated. It's not. That's why I created this. This is why I create these offers. And I'm selling it only at 27. And I'm going to make this a high ticket after the launch period because it's so good. But a lot of you are missing out on the point, which is building a new income source, a passive income source that I'm not doing anything. I'm not sending traffic. I'm just putting it out there on the store and it's selling if it makes sense. You create something that makes sense, you'll be out there too. You can be part of this. Okay, there's buyers on there. Okay, people downloading every day. Okay, so I'm really excited about this because this is something that is working for me. I've been updating this as we're going, but I really wanted to cover this part where I tell you that you need to check out this offer that I'm giving you right now. Okay, it's only at $27, but the amount that you're getting is enough. I need to fix the scarcity timer. For some reason, it's not on. Okay, so other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make this decision to get in. This is one of the best courses you're going to get in to teach you how to create your own apps or anything that you want to put it on the App Store and Google Play if you'd like, because you do have the option of Google Play, and instead of $99 a year, you pay one time $25. So you can put stuff on there where people are going to be downloading, okay? You don't need an iPhone. You don't need an Android. You don't need anything but an internet and maybe PC or a MacBook or whatever, a Mac in general or whatever. Whatever you're using to get online, okay? Everything is going to be cloud-based anyways, okay? You're going to be using the platform I'm using, and you're going to be able to get the results that I'm showing you. There are some restrictions in the countries, but that's only mostly all countries are available. The only ones that have restrictions are these, and I don't think I have anybody of you coming from these countries. Okay, so other than that, that's what it is. This is what it is. Don't miss out on this. This is one of the best offers that I have. The money, look, if you've been following me around and you've seen me create, for example, okay, I've been showing you, I've built Royalty Profits AI, okay? And look, this is proof of the last 30 days with my KDP publishing, which is similar if you think about it. It's about me creating books using my Royalty Profits AI, and I'm making sales. And this is exactly what I'm selling in my Royalty Profits. This got 2 awards. This is exactly what it's doing for me. I'm promising you everything that I'm showing you there, and it's here as proof, and it's still going on. Okay, this is just going on autopilot. I'm not even doing anything with this. Okay, let's do a quick this year with everything. Just this year, last year, and lifetime. Okay, getting better. But we're making sales. It's like, and all these are the books that I put out with my training and everything. So it's the same idea, but this time we're talking about the App Store. And it's the exact same idea where I started off and I started building this. So next year with Meelo App Empire Volume 2, there's going to be more things in here, but it's going to be more proof of the results that I have from what I started. And you're going to be hitting your head on the wall because you're missing out on something that is working right now. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you pick this up right now because the price is at the lowest. I wanted to show you and cover the couple of things that I think that you guys are stopping because you think you need an iPhone or an Android or anything like that. You don't, and you don't need an Apple developer program until you've actually got your app approved. And then once it gets approved, you're going to be excited. You're going to be like, yeah, let's take it, because you'll be making that money back. Especially in 1 year's time, you have a lot of time to make that money and more with passive income from the sales that you're going to be making from the app that you create. That's it. Not just one app, many. So with that being said, understand that you will need to have a PC, a Mac, internet, and a brain.